it's Denise here and welcome back to another video. I know that I've been MIA for about 3 months or so now, but life happens, things happen. So I do apologize about that, but I am back and hopefully I can get back on track and come out with new videos. So I do apologize, but in today's video, I'm going to be opening my House of Suppliez packages. These are going to be for the month of April, May, and June, I believe. So I have been holding on to them until I was able to, do a video for you guys and open it for you guys. So if you don't know about House Suppliez, there are a monthly subscription package. The monthly subscription is $12.99 and you can cancel it at any time. So the ones that I'm subscribed to are Nail Box and Icy Girl Box. And unfortunately, I cannot tell which one is which because they don't separate them. They don't have any kind of name on them or anything to tell you which one is which. So I'm just gonna go ahead and open them and we're just gonna take a guess. So far I haven't had any trouble with the subscription. Sometimes you do get repetitive stuff, but I don't really mind it because sometimes I run out of stuff and I have extra just in case. So let's go ahead and open it. So this is for the month of April, and again it's from House of Suppliez. So here we just got some stickers from YSL, and what's that, Coach? Or no, not Coach. I don't know why I can't think of the name right now. Brain fart. Okay, you guys know what it is. So it's this right here, stickers. And then let's see. Oh, we got a cute little rhinestone picker-upper thing. I like it. It's pink. I've been into pink lately. You guys know my favorite color is purple if you watch my previous videos. But this one is pink, and I like that. That's super cute. This looks like it might be the nail, which is it? The nail box one. So, here we have nail tips, which I actually use these to practice, so I don't mind getting these repetitively. I put these on my practice hand, the red iguana hand. So more nail tips. And then we have some rhinestones. You can never have enough rhinestones. I also can use those for a practice set. Ooh, these are pretty. These are pink. Oh, and then I think or maybe like rose gold. Then you got some more in the back, and then this one also more in the back. This might be the icy box, who knows. And then that was it for this package. And then we have another one. This one came in a white package, which is totally fine. I mean, I don't mind it. We got some pixie dust or pixies. I haven't used these yet. I have received these in another package, but I haven't used them as of yet. But these are cute. Let's see. We have more stickers. Louis Vuitton. These are cute. Oh, look at this. We got the perfect French manicure cutter thing. I already have one of these. So maybe when I get repetitive, I might start collecting them just to do like a little giveaway. I'm almost at 3,000 subscribers, and I don't like to call you guys subscribers. I just want to call you guys my friends because you guys are my friends now. If you hit that subscribe button. So I got this. I already have one of these, and I love it. Super easy to use. And then we have neon butterflies, which is perfect for summertime. I love the pink and purple. Super cute. And let's see what else we have. We have more rhinestones, which again, you can never have enough rhinestones. If you work with rhinestones, you run out of them quickly. So that's cool. And that's it for that. So here we have the May packages. Again, it's for the nail box and the Icy Girl subscription. And as you can see, like I said, we do get repetitive stuff sometimes, but it's okay. We got nail tips. Again, I use these to practice with, so I don't mind them. We have more stickers. I think these are Chanel, right? I have brain fart, guys. And then we have the letters here, which I absolutely love these. I love the lettering, the old school English, or English old school, whatever. Here we have cute little 3D butterflies, I think. I've never seen these in the package, so these are pretty cool. Again, we got more pixies. And you guys, again, this is $12.99. You honestly can't beat that price. And look at these. We got flowers. I love these. I love the colors. Super cute. Okay, so that's that package. Now let's move on to the other one. And then so far with the mailing, I've received my packages on time. I know there's been some complaints that they don't receive their packages on time, but in the last couple of months since I've started it, I haven't had any issues with that. So here we have rhinestone. These are red. I actually needed some of these. They were actually in my Amazon package, or I'm sorry, my Amazon cart. So now I don't have to buy these. I love the red. We have more stickers. These are gold. And again, more flowers, which again, I don't mind. I don't know if you guys know, but I am doing press-on nails now. So these will definitely come in handy. All of this stuff will come in handy. I don't have to, you know, go buy anymore. Let's see what we have. Oh my goodness. We got cherries. It's super cute. I've never seen these. So that's cool. We got more butterflies. And again, more nail tips. All right, so now we're moving on to the June package. And I just wanted to say that I do appreciate the ones that have stuck with me throughout my 3-month hiatus. I really appreciate you guys, and I love you guys so much. So thank you for not unsubscribing. I know I haven't posted anything in a long time, and I do apologize, but things happen, like I said. So hopefully I'm able to stay consistent and upload more videos. I've gotten a lot of stuff in the mail that I have to show you guys and show you guys how to do my press-on nails and everything. So just be patient with me, guys. All right, so in this package, this is for the month of June. We got glittery stars, which are super cute. Oh, I love these. They're super shiny too. And then we have more stickers. Ooh, these are nice. I think these are like, I don't know if these are water decals or just plain stickers, but I love these. We got Dior and Louis Vuitton in pink. Super cute. And then what else we got? Oh, we got the little bears. Adorable. I don't know if I'll be using these for my press-ons, but if you guys are interested in these little bears for press-ons, I would love to use them on those. These are super cute. And then we got foil. I actually already own these foils, so I might put these aside for a giveaway, but these are cute. They're like snake print. And that's it for that package. And then we got one more. We got more snake print. So again, we have another one. We got more pixies. Let's see what else we have. We have, I think these are charms. I don't know how I would incorporate these in the nails because they are kind of like big. So maybe I can use these as charms or something. I don't know yet, but these are super cute. And we got one more thing, and these are cross charms as well, anchors, the cross, so super cute. And that, oh wait, one more thing, stickers, more Louis Vuitton stickers. Again, I don't mind. I can use all this for my press-ons, so I don't mind it at all. So this is all that we have. Let me know what you guys think if you guys are subscribed to their subscription. I absolutely love it for $12.99. Again, you can't beat that, and I can use all this for myself and for my press-on business because I do a lot of press-ons that a lot of people want in different shapes or sizes or the same design. So I can always use all of this stuff. So again, you guys, I appreciate you guys. This is my first video again in like 3 months, and I appreciate all of you that have subscribed. I'm almost at 3,000 subscribers, 3,000 friends, and I love every one of you guys. I see your comments. I try to reply as fast as I can to like my older videos when you guys have questions or just say that my set came out cute. So I do appreciate all your love and support. So yeah, this is it for the month of, what did I say, April, May, and June. So So thank you guys again. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And hopefully I will come back with another video for you guys soon and not take another 3 months. So I do appreciate you guys. You guys have a good day. And thank you again. Bye.